Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bone marrow compound butter. First, you'll want to select about 2 pounds of beef marrow bones, ideally cut into 2-inch pieces for even roasting. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the bones on a baking sheet and roast them for approximately 20 minutes or until the marrow is tender and slightly rendered. Once roasted, carefully scoop out the warm marrow from the bones and let it cool down a bit. Next, prepare your butter base. Take 1 pound of unsalted butter and allow it to soften completely at room temperature. This makes it much easier to work with. While the butter softens, finely mince 2 cloves of fresh garlic and 1 tablespoon of fresh rosemary. These aromatics will add a wonderful depth of flavor. In a mixing bowl, combine the softened butter with the minced garlic, rosemary, and a generous pinch of sea salt. Now it's time to bring it all together. Add the cooled, roasted bone marrow to your seasoned butter mixture. Using a spatula or a stand mixer, thoroughly combine all the ingredients until the marrow is evenly distributed throughout the butter. The goal is a smooth, uniform consistency. Once mixed, transfer the butter onto a sheet of parchment paper. Roll it into a tight log shape, then chill it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours to firm up. Once your bone marrow compound butter is firm, you can slice it into 1/2-inch rounds, ready for serving. This rich, savory butter is fantastic for elevating grilled steaks, roasted vegetables, or simply spread on warm, crusty bread. It adds an incredible depth of flavor to so many dishes. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the links in the description below. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.